o'clock in the morning. They connect this cordless. Told these niggas they should jump it, but I'm not cordless. I'm in this bitch, I'm scorching. Step on any nigga tires, this shit get boring. This text too important. Nigga, I'm pouring falls, shit imported. Yeah.
Make me famous.
Yeah, it's gonna make you more bigger. You know, expand a franchise. Before you know it, you're gonna have a fleet of cars here and the whole street.
I'm jammed.
Yeah.
I'm jammed
right now. Oh man, so you messed up rocking with us.
Let's keep rocking.
Yeah, I appreciate that. So how long have you had this?
I've been here 3 years.
3 years? But how long have you been working on cars?
My history is
like on the books and off the books. You could
everything I do is on the books.
Okay.
Okay, I used to build car dealership groups.
Okay.
So I could teach a controller how to do the accounting department.
Oh, okay.
I could teach your salespeople, your sales manager, your general sales manager, your GM, your detailer, your service manager. There is not a position in the car dealership I cannot train.
Oh, okay. That's cool. So why did you get away from cars? Like selling cars?
We're gonna have that question answered, but not there.
Oh, okay. All right. So we gotta turn the camera on.
I want to know what happened.
I'll tell you.
Oh yeah. It's nice. What year is this? 07.
Which is what you have.
Well, that's the exact one that I'm about to have?
Exact same thing.
Okay, this is, I like this.
Yeah,
subtle too.
This is set.
Yeah.
This is set. So what we did with this, we DF'd it. She came back because she got hit on the door.
Oh.
So we had to redo it for her. Got in an accident. Not her fault.
Yeah.
Nice vehicle. This Mustang used to be black.
It used to be black?
Used to be black.
So it's a wrap on it right now?
We got a wrap on it. We're about to, we're doing the stripes right now. 97.
97?
Yeah, 97. Oh, sorry, 67.
67, okay. And now, who is he to you that corrected you? He's a regular worker, or he got pulled to do that? Who is that? Who's that over there?
That's my son, Vincent.
That's your son, Vincent? Okay, man. All right, Benny.
Anybody working for me has that problem.
Okay, oh, okay. All right.
I'm all ears.
Yeah. That's what keeps you growing, too.
Yeah.
Keeps you evolving.
I can't tell you how much you can learn from the guy that's walking around with the drone.
Mm-hmm.
You learn more from them.
Dropping jewels, dropping gems.
They see it all.
Yeah. I can tell that this got to be covered, right?
Yeah, we're redoing that.
Dang.
But I want them to feel the ceramic. See how it comes off?
Yeah. Oh yeah, what the? Oh yeah.
And then if you want to feel what like the regular.
Yeah.
Yeah, you stop into us once a year, when you can do it, and we do a refresher.
Okay. Yeah, I'll
We
definitely.
enhance it every year.
Yeah, I'll definitely come back. So guys, I'm here now. She's wrapped. Looks awesome, looks great, I'm happy. The wrap, the work. They really took their time, made sure everything was precise. What's the most cars you ever worked on in a week?
Probably somewhere in the range of
Yeah.
like I started learning how to do window tint originally.
Yeah.
And that was pretty fun, but as I was doing the window tint, I started learning everything else. Like when it
Got to too. That's good because you know you could do other things just besides one thing. It don't restrict you. Yeah.
Yeah, so like now I can do full paint protection, wraps, even the ceramic coating and everything like that. So
Yeah, nah, y'all did y'all big one with this one, man. This is crazy, man.
Many hours later.
What's up, y'all? So I kidnapped my kids and my little brother. Nah, I messed up. As you can see, they're here with me, and we're here in New York getting my car, getting something else done with my car. About to get some stars put in the ceiling. We'll see how it's gonna look. Where my car is, though, my ceiling is like majority like glass. Like it's just glass above my head. It's like stars, like could be seen on the side, but we'll see. I don't know. But they doing work in here right now. These are 2 garages. You can get your shit wrapped. You can get your shit tinted. You get stars and shit. So they got motion. I found them on TikTok, so. The reason why I pulled up because you could get it done same day. They say it should take like 4 hours. But who knows? How long y'all had y'all shop for?
Around a year and a half.
Okay.
This location's pretty new.
Yeah.
It's been around like since January.
Okay.
We had a shop down there for like 5 minutes away. For like a year.
What got you?
Like 5 years.
What got you in the cars?
Honestly, as like a hobby.
Yeah.
Started doing it off like sidewalk work. Literally, and then from there posted on social media. Ever since that's been the issue.
Yeah, I hear that, man. Social media goes a long way, bro. You'd be surprised who like really taps into your social and wants to do business and things. Cause, bro, I literally woke up this morning. I was like, I need to put stars in my shit. Might as well get it done now. Yeah, hell yeah, bro. I appreciate that shit. Hell yeah, bro. I appreciate that. You about to get this work? Hold on. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. We cheated. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Go ahead, you go first, cheater. It's missing one. It was alright, you was gonna lose anyway. So while I'm waiting to get my roof done, never been here. Looks nice though. Cool little setup. Look, it's my family. Don't look so happy to be here, Zanar. This one too, trying to get shy. Look. What you gonna tell him?
Like, comment, and
You couldn't wait to try lemonade. What does that mean? It don't taste that good? So what you give it a number out of 10?
2 out of 10.
10? God dang, you're right. Jesus. Oh, damn. It's not looking too good for the drink so far. If y'all said it ain't good, if I'm the only one that says it's good, am I the weird one? Am I weird? Hold on. You don't taste natural? Yeah, none of y'all stirred it up. Tastes like sweet tea. Tastes like sweet tea. Who gonna say grace? Who gonna say grace? All right, bust the food, brother. Hold on. Food. Bow your head. Bow your head. Go ahead, see it.
It's not just like, oh, we can't bring it back.
Juice trash. Actually, the only one I know that he coleslaw.
I eat coleslaw because you eat it with rice.
First best fried chicken. I've been waiting on it. That shit stinks.
Yeah, because he was like, yo, laughing. Yeah, it was wild. We about to give him something. Never had coleslaw. I know you have. It tastes, bro, coleslaw tastes good. Y'all bugging.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Alright, we about to try this fried chicken. Let's go to the recipe from KFC. It's like KFC. A little more salty.
Oh, it's Nashville.
I don't taste Nashville. I said Nashville and taste
Yeah, top of the top, it's top of the morning. Yeah, connect this cordless. Told these niggas they should jump it, but I'm not Corbin. I'm in this bitch, I'm scorching. Step on any nigga toes.